Congratulations on completing your 30-day sugar detox. That was a big commitment. You showed incredible strength. Now, it's time to reflect on your amazing journey. Remember how hard those first few days were? You craved sugary treats, but you pushed through. You learned to read labels. You discovered healthier ways to enjoy food. Think about how far you've come. You should be so proud of yourself. You've taken a huge step towards a healthier and happier you. This is just the beginning of your journey. You've developed new habits to last a lifetime. Let's explore the amazing changes you've made. Your body has undergone a remarkable transformation this past month. Remember how sluggish you felt before? Now you're bursting with energy. You may have even shed some pounds. That's because sugar is hidden in so many foods. By cutting it out, you've naturally reduced your calorie intake. Your skin is probably glowing too. Sugar can cause inflammation. This leads to breakouts and dullness. Without sugar, your skin can heal and rejuvenate. Digestion feeling better? Sugar can wreak havoc on your gut. Now, your system is balanced. You're absorbing nutrients more efficiently. You're sleeping soundly through the night. Sugar disrupts your sleep cycle. Now, you wake up feeling refreshed and energized. This is the power of a sugar detox. It's not just your body that has changed. Your mind is sharper and calmer than ever before. Sugar affects your brain chemistry. It can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating. Without sugar, your mind is free from those ups and downs. You can focus on tasks with renewed clarity. You're thinking more clearly. Remember that brain fog? It's gone. You're able to make decisions with confidence. You're feeling more in control of your emotions. This is the power of a sugar-free mind. You've also strengthened your self-discipline. Resisting those sugary temptations wasn't easy, but you did it. This newfound willpower will serve you well in all areas of your life. Section 4. Breaking free from sugar's grip. Your relationship with food has changed dramatically. You're no longer controlled by cravings. You understand how food affects your body and mind. You've learned to enjoy the natural sweetness of fruits. You appreciate whole foods in a new way. You're making healthy choices effortlessly. This is about so much more than just weight loss. It's about taking charge of your health. It's about feeling your absolute best. You've broken free from sugar's grip. You're in control now. You're making choices that support your well-being. This is the path to lasting health and happiness. Section 5. The science of sweet freedom. Let's talk science. Cutting back on sugar has incredible long-term benefits. Studies show it reduces your risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. Sugar spikes your blood sugar levels. This puts stress on your organs. Over time, it can lead to serious health problems. By reducing sugar, you're protecting your heart, pancreas, and even your brain. You're lowering inflammation throughout your body. You're giving your body the best chance to thrive. You're investing in a longer, healthier future. This is the power of making informed choices. Congratulations! You've made it through the journey of understanding the transformative power of cutting out sugar. By taking control of your sugar intake, you're not just making a temporary change. You're setting the stage for a lifetime of health and well-being. Imagine waking up each day with more energy, a clearer mind, and a body that's thriving. These are the rewards of your commitment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Aiken's channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Stay healthy and stay safe. Until next time, keep making those smart, sweet-free choices.